This herb helps fight both cancer and heart disease. A cure-all remedy, Horsetail Herb. We are once again with a plant from nature's magnificent pharmacy that untangles the issues in our bodies, Horsetail Herb. Commonly known as horsetail in folk medicine, this miraculous plant has been used for centuries to treat various ailments. Its history traces back to ancient Greece and Rome, and today the Japanese, more than anyone, appreciate its value and regularly include its tea in their daily diets. You can easily spot horsetail in parks, gardens, and along roadsides, and it naturally grows fresh during May and June. Now, if you're ready, let's take a look at the benefits of this amazing plant, and especially the uses recommended by a Turkish Professor İbrahim Saraçoğlu. 1. Treats hernias in the lower back, neck, groin, and abdomen. Hernias, also known as herniation, are a common health issue today. This condition occurs when tissues that support organs are damaged. The displacement or dislocation of tissues or muscles in certain areas of the body leads to hernia development. Professor İbrahim Saraçoğlu has suggested that horsetail is a great remedy for those suffering from hernias. Here is how to use this plant for hernia treatment. You can buy fresh horsetail herb from herbal shops. Make sure its shelf life is no more than a year, or even better, find it yourself near forested areas. The recipe for the treatment is as follows. Ingredients: 1. 9 to 10 grams, about 1 tablespoon of horsetail herb. 2. 1 glass of water. Preparation: boil 1 tablespoon of horsetail herb in 1 glass of hot water for about 5 minutes. Let the boiled herb cool down. Once it reaches a lukewarm temperature, strain the water into a deep bowl. With someone's help, massage this water from your neck to your lower back. The person should dip their fingers into the water and apply it from the neck to the lower back 15 times. Make sure the room you are in is warm. It's important that the room is not cold. You can apply this every day or every other day for a month. On the days you skip, using juniper oil for the same massage will enhance the effect. 2. Strengthens bones and prevents osteoporosis. Horsetail herb has an extremely high silica content compared to other plants. Silica plays a vital role in the structure of bones. It is a key component in the synthesis of collagen and minerals, which are necessary for bone strength and durability. The silica in horsetail helps the body absorb essential nutrients like calcium and collagen, which are crucial for bone health. To promote bone strength and prevent osteoporosis, it is recommended to drink 1 cup of horsetail tea per day. How to prepare horsetail tea? Ingredients: 2 fresh sprigs of horsetail or 2 teaspoons of dried horsetail. 1 glass of water. Preparation: boil the water and pour it into a glass. Add the horsetail to the boiled water and let it steep. If you are using dried horsetail, 10 minutes will be enough for steeping. However, if you are using fresh horsetail, steeping for 20 minutes will yield more effective results. 3. Acts as a diuretic and reduces edema. The tea made from this herb has a significant effect on the kidneys, helping to expel excess water from the body, which creates a diuretic effect. As a result, it helps resolve issues like bloating and edema by acting as a natural diuretic. Drinking 1 cup of this tea daily is sufficient for its diuretic effect. 4. Relieves joint and muscle pain. Due to its rich silica content, horsetail herb is also highly effective in reducing joint pain in a short time. It plays a crucial role in reducing joint pain associated with osteoporosis. Here is a pain-relieving ointment recipe made from horsetail that you can prepare at home. Horsetail Pain Relief Ointment. Ingredients: 1 teacup of cold-pressed organic olive oil, 3 tablespoons of dried horsetail herb, half a teacup of sheep tail fat or beeswax. Preparation: mix the horsetail herb with the olive oil and crush it using a mortar. After crushing it thoroughly, strain the oil and add tail fat or beeswax. Apply this mixture to the affected area twice a day in the morning and evening. 5. Prevents hair loss and strengthens hair. Horsetail is a natural remedy that can prevent various hair problems, from dandruff to hair loss. It stops hair loss due to weak roots and facilitates hair growth healthily and quickly. Here is a recipe for a hair care mixture made with horsetail that can rival the most famous hair care brands. Horsetail Hair Growth and Thickening Mixture. Ingredients: 50 grams of horsetail herb, 2 teaspoons of rosemary, 1 teaspoon of cloves, 7 to 8 pieces, half a liter of water. Preparation: put all the ingredients into the water and boil for 15 minutes. Strain the mixture and transfer it to a spray bottle. Apply this mixture to your hair 3 times a week. There is no need to rinse it out. 6. Beneficial for irregular heartbeats. Horsetail herb can help with heart rhythm disorders. Many people experience rapid heartbeats or irregular heart rhythms. Professor İbrahim Saraçoğlu recommends drinking horsetail tea for this issue. As we previously mentioned, steep a pinch of horsetail in 1 cup of boiled water and drink this tea 3 times a week for 1 month. After a 15-day break, you can repeat this regimen. 7. Helps eliminate kidney stones. Medical Park Fatih Hospital's internal medicine specialist Professor Dr. Ziya Mojan has stated that horsetail herb helps relieve the pain of kidney stones and aids in their expulsion. He emphasized that drinking 2 cups of horsetail tea a day can reduce pain and help expel kidney stones more quickly. 8. Heals mouth sores and hemorrhoid bleeding. Horsetail herb is beneficial for conditions such as bleeding gums, mouth sores, and various wounds in the body. It promotes faster healing of wounds. Horsetail tea can be used to help with hemorrhoid bleeding. Besides its ability to stop bleeding, horsetail is also an important kidney-supporting herb. Washing and bathing with its boiled water are effective against infections like boils, ulcers, and fistulas, as well as leg wounds. Important warnings and considerations. As with any herb, certain precautions should be taken with horsetail herb. It should not be used by pregnant women, those who might be pregnant, or breastfeeding mothers. If you have kidney issues or low potassium levels, you should avoid this tea. If you are using blood thinning medications, you must consult your doctor before using these herbal remedies. If you're trying to quit smoking, you should avoid this herb due to its nicotine content. Additionally, those with low B1 vitamin levels may experience side effects. Aside from these, when consumed and applied in moderation, horsetail is a treasure trove of health benefits. If you find horsetail near rivers and streams, collect it carefully by cutting it above ground and avoiding damage to the roots. The best time for harvesting is in May and June. If there are no stinging nettles around the horsetail plant, its benefits may be reduced, so it is recommended not to collect it. If you want to be informed about the latest videos in our channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon. In this way, you'll be notified whenever we upload new content. Have a healthy and pleasant day.